Welcome to another number theory problem. The problem statement says that if x plus 2 whole square is equal to 121, which of the following could be the value of x minus 3? So in this, we have to solve this equation and then get the possible values of x from which we can find x minus 3. So in the right hand side you can see that it's square options, so which means that we can select multiple answers. So let's begin with the equation. It's x plus 2 whole square equal to 121. So in order to find x, we are going to take a square root of 121, which could be plus minus 11. So for plus 11, we have x equal to 9, and for minus 11, we have x equal to minus 13. So now we have two values of x, which means that we also have two values of x minus 3. For x equal to 9, x minus 3 equal to 6. For x equal to minus 13, x minus 3 equal to minus 16. So now let us look at the options, and if we have both or either of them. So we see that we only have option minus 16, this one. We don't have plus 6, so this is the only answer for this case.